Traders Network Club. Welcome back to another Pip Hunter Trading Show. So yesterday we placed some trades. We're going to go ahead and recap those trades we placed yesterday. I believe we did profit out of 2 of them and still holding on 1 of them. So we're going to go ahead and check that out and look out for new opportunities in the market. So I'll see you guys after this. All right, welcome back, guys, to another Pip Hunter Trading Show. So let's go ahead and jump right to it. All right. So looking back at our trades, so still holding that US CAD that we've been holding for a while now. Now I'm gonna recap the trades that we've been placing this week. So we've been profiting every trade so far. Every next day. New Zealand CAD, we bought New Zealand CAD yesterday. Looks like it's still holding. Okay, still holding. We'll go ahead and check out, see what's going on the chart in a bit here. And CAD Swiss, we were holding for 1 day for the CAD Swiss, and it looks like we took our profit yesterday. Okay, so I told you we were gonna get that turn around real fast, and I wasn't worried about it. Wasn't worried about the CAD Swiss. So CAD Swiss, we took it, and Euro US dollar and Aussie CAD as well. Good morning, Gary. Good morning. So how's everyone doing this morning? Is everyone doing good? I still got my ear blocked. My ear's still completely blocked. It's starting to get annoying now. I don't know why this ear would not just burst. I don't know. Has anyone had a swimmer's ear? Because it's been about almost 2 weeks now, and my ears doesn't seem to get its hearing back, or it sounds like it's almost like I don't feel any water in my ear, but it feels like I can hear that there's water in my ear. I hear my echo, my vocals just echoing through my body when I talk. So I've never had a swimmer's ear. It's my first time, so it's a little new to me and a little weird. But I should have another appointment to go see my doctor next week. So we'll see. Hopefully, plugged ear with COVID. Oh, is that what's going on? Is everyone getting like a little ear infection? Is it like the new COVID or something? I thought it was. I went to Volcano Bay right before the few days, Volcano Bay in Orlando, and that was really fun actually. I went there a few days ago, and I that's why I believed what happened is I got water in my ear at the park. Anyways, so let's get right to it, guys. Let's get into the trades before we miss any opportunities. Anyway, so we're still holding the New Zealand CAD and the US CAD, okay? So let's go ahead and take out these other 3 pairs and see what's available. So let's go ahead and look at Aussie CAD. I have Aussie CAD right here. Aussie CAD. All right. So we're on a little downtrend here. Okay. We're moving to a demand zone right here. Okay. So as prices move into this demand zone, usually we like to buy at support when it gets to that strong demand zone. When price gets to support, we buy. Okay, and right now we're not there, so it's a little too early, and we're not at resistance because we're on a downtrend. Price is moving, creating lower lows here. So technically, this is not really the strategy that we do, but we can always improvise here with our strategy. What can work the way that we target and snipe out that 20 pips, right? So price is going to go like this. It's going to come back down. As you can see, as it comes and breaks through these valid lows. You see price breaks through this low right here, breaks through this low, comes back up to come and fill in liquidity. And then as you see, I have this trend line right here. Price likes to come back close to that trend line. Okay, comes back to that trend line, comes back down as it breaks this valid low. Boom, breaks it, comes back up for liquidity, comes and tests this trend line. Now price comes back down. Now it's breaking this valid. So by this pattern is we can see what price is doing, and it's going to break through this and wants to come back up and keep testing, and then just keep on this pattern until we get to the zone, and then we get that, then we get that uptrend as price gets in the demand zone. So it's a possibility that price comes back up and tests this. Okay. Now, how many pips do we got? Let's see here. We got enough, about just a little over 20 pips, and maybe price doesn't get all the way to that trend line. So what we do as our strategy, where we cost to average, okay, cost the dollar average, is we gonna buy. We sell, and as we sell right here, price keeps going back up. We're gonna go ahead and keep selling, and as we keep selling, we're averaging our costs. And as we average our costs, if our pips is right here, our target is right here, we keep averaging our costs, we're averaging our target now, and our target is going to move with us. So then when we go up here and we come back down, our target sooner than the original entry. Okay. So in that case, we can go ahead and sell, knowing the pattern that is if price keeps going back up to come back to this trend line to fill in this liquidity, because as it breaks, it already broke through this valid low. Okay, as price goes up to fill this liquidity, we're gonna go ahead and keep selling so we can average. So when price comes back down on that downtrend, we're gonna hit our target. So Aussie CAD. Let's go ahead and sell the Aussie CAD. Good morning, Joseph. How you doing? Let me just check something here, guys. All right, Aussie CAD. So, guys, we're on CAD, and we're gonna go ahead and sell on Aussie CAD. Let me just double check. I'm just double checking everything this week because you never know with the medication I've been taking. I'm just joking. All right, Aussie CAD. So, sell on Aussie CAD. Let's do it. Okay, I still have my tool up. And do you want to sell? Yes, let's go. On the Aussie CAD, there it is. All right. Jan, sounds like you need a stronger antibiotic. That's what I'm thinking, Jan. That's what I'm thinking. All right. There it is for the Aussie CAD. Okay. There it is. So, next one, I believe, is the Euro-US dollar. We're not in the Euro-US dollar, right? Euro-US dollar and the CAD Swiss. All right. Wow, look at this. What in the world happened here? What happened here? Look at that. Oh, woo. Price came in that supply zone and took a huge dip. See that? Look at that. And we profit off that too, guys. We sold as price got into this supply zone, like we do. We sell at resistance, we buy at support, and this is why we profit out. All right. So what's the goal here? So we got a huge dip off. Now price is gonna come back up. It's gonna come here and fill this imbalanced area. 25. looking at the 1 hour. So right now we're just getting a lot of consolidation, price going back up and down. Okay. So it looks like price is creating lower um creating lower highs here. Okay. So it seems like price is moving up right now, but and then now price is moving back down. So this is just a weird zone right here to trade. But let me see. So it looks like price is going to move back up to this. Oh, what happened there? Looks like price is going to move back to this supply zone. Okay. Price is going to move back to that supply zone. So we're technically here. Here's our valid low right here. We're basically here at a support here. We're at our low at our previous valid low. So we're at like a support on a smaller time frame here. We're on the 15. Okay. So I'm expecting price to go back up. I'm expecting price to move back up from the support as we get a test, and we're gonna move back up to that supply zone. I mean, yeah, supply zone up here at this resistance. And this is the euro US dollar. So you know what? We can hold on this one right now. There's no need to jump in right now. Let's go check out the other one. Let's go check the other pair we have. I think it was the CAD Swiss, right? Yeah, CAD Swiss. So let's go check out the CAD Swiss. Oh wow, look at the CAD Swiss. CAD Swiss might be a little too late. Um, hmm. Looks like we might be just going a downtrend here. All right, well, look, guys, it is a little late. We're already we're at resistance. We're just at a strong supply zone. Now, if I look at the 1 hour here, you see this huge supply zone. Okay. Now you even see price came all the way down just like that, came back up. See that? Now that could happen. That could definitely happen. Um, so interesting. This is very interesting. So we could it's the same strategy. The question is, do we want to hold for a little longer on this trade? Okay. Because the same thing's gonna happen here. As price keeps dipping down, we sell. But in case price keeps dipping down and then wants to come back up, we'll get in more trades and then price will come back down. So so we stick to our strategy. We buy at support, we sell resistance. And it's a little late. We're got a few pips below the resistance right now. But with our strategy, it's gonna still work out. You know, it's really just gonna depend on the timing, how long the trade's gonna be. Maybe it might be a few more days longer, if price does come back up to test that resistance. Okay, so that's all it comes down to. It's gonna come down to timing. So let's go ahead and sell on the CAD Swiss here. CAD Swiss. Oops. I still got my. I always forget to take my tool off. All right, sell CAD Swiss. there it is. Selling the CAD Swiss. Let's go back to the Euro US dollar here. Oh. All right. Go back to the 15-minute time frame here. All right. So CAD Swiss, we're gonna stick to our plan. This is this is the Euro US dollar. Sorry, this is the Euro US dollar. So the Euro US dollar, we're gonna stick to our plan. We're at a minor support here from our previous valid low here. So we're at a minor support. So at support, we're gonna go ahead and buy. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and buy at support. Now you're probably looking at this supply zone I have here, and yes, this is a supply zone right here. It's pretty strong supply zone. Okay. Now let me see if I see any divergence here. Okay. So there might be possibly positive divergence here. Okay. As you can see, price is going down, and we might get momentum to turn around here, showing that positive divergence. But not yet. Not yet. And that's kind of I look when I'm trading kind of in between these strong resistance and strong level support levels. Okay. Right now, okay, there it is. So we're starting to move lower and lower. So possibly we might not get that divergence. Price still might actually go. We might actually get price to go back down all this supply zone. So if there's not any divergence, not any momentum showing me that we're gonna get a turnaround soon, then I'm too early. I'm gonna get too early in this trade. It's already too late, and I'm gonna get too early than just waiting for price to get back down to a strong support level. Okay, so I'd rather just wait till price gets down to the support level. I'm not getting any confirmation showing me that we might get a turnaround soon. I was maybe if I had to wait, you know, we obviously don't have all time in this show, but if I had to wait and just watch this and see how momentum switches here, show me that we have a positive divergence, that momentum is starting to turn around and go up, then I would go ahead and buy. But if not, then I'm going to wait for price to get down to that support level. But right now, we don't have much time to sit here and watch the market. We don't have enough time to sit here and watch the market. So with that being said, since we don't have time to sit here and watch the market and make sure we get in a perfect entry, because we already got in some trades. We don't need to get in every single trade. We can just kind of hold off and not get in this one. Okay. But I'm gonna go ahead and recap the other trades. Before I do that, I'm gonna show a video brought to you by sponsors, and maybe at the end we can just come back and look at this trade. You know, let's see what's going on. So here's a video brought to you by our sponsor, 8cap. All right, there it is, guys. If you guys want to start trading and open up an account, there's a broker called 8cap. If you guys are interested, the link is in the description below. I always say description first, but the link is in the description below. If you guys are interested, go ahead and check that out. Okay. All right, so let's just go ahead and recap everything here. So we just sold the CAD Swiss and we sold the Aussie CAD today. Okay. We did that today. Sold two pairs today, the CAD Swiss and the Aussie CAD. Yesterday, we bought the New Zealand CAD, so we're still holding that. And then FxBigDog bought the US CAD whenever you guys were with him on that. I can't remember. I haven't spoke to him when he got in that trade. But, excuse me. So we can go ahead and just, let's go ahead and recap these two pairs that we're holding and just see what's going on. So let's start with the New Zealand CAD because we got on that yesterday. and it looks like we're getting near break even. So let's take a look at the New Zealand CAD. Oops, I have my tool out again. I am not good with this tool yet. All right, so New Zealand CAD. Let's take a look at the 1 hour here. So we're at the supply zone, so I can see why we bought. We might have, if I remember yesterday, I think we might have just bought a little early before it got all the way in this demand zone here. So let me do this. You can just see it a little more, make it a little thin. There you go. Okay. All right. So we're just waiting for that turnaround, right? That's all we're waiting for. So going to the 50-minute. So price hasn't broke any valid highs. Momentum is showing. Momentum is going down right now. Okay. But we're in this demand zone, so it's kind of consolidating. So we're kind of hit a little consolidation right here as price goes and test. You can see right here, price going from the support to resistance to support to resistance. So we're getting a little consolidation right now, and once price breaks through this resistance, then we should be good to go. So right now it's just a patient game with the New Zealand CAD. Price is in a consolidation zone, and that happens a lot. So New Zealand CAD, just a wait and hold game, and then I believe the US CAD, the US CAD. The US CAD is moving up, so I'm not sure where our target is in the US CAD, but it looks like the US CAD is definitely on the uptrend right now. Okay, and looking at the 1 hour, you can see we're moving on the uptrend here. Price is almost getting back to that previous high too, but price never came back down to test this demand zone. So if price doesn't break past this valid high right here, we can expect price to keep going back down, all the way down over here to 1.24 in that range. So US CAD could be a little longer till we get to our target. US CAD could be a little longer till we get to our target. So, but don't worry about it. It's all about patience. It's about, oh, thanks, Gary. It's about 80 pips away. Okay, so our target's about 80 pips away. Okay, so okay, so target's kind of right about this consolidation right here. So yeah, we will get there. We'll definitely get there if we can get this breakthrough right here. Price gets through this breakthrough right here, we'll definitely hit our target. The question is, I don't know if it's got a lot of momentum. Let's see here. Price is actually showing a positive divergence. So we did get a little divergence here. So we might actually break through this. We might break through this. It's showing we're getting a nice little positive divergence. So we're getting a lot of momentum going up right now. So with that momentum, we might get enough for price to break through this. And when price breaks through this previous valid high, it should definitely hit our target. It should definitely get enough to hit our target up here. So that should be good. Should be good. All right. I think that's about it. Oh, let's just go ahead and check that. Let's go ahead and check that. It was the euro US dollar. Yeah, let's go check the euro US dollar again. I just want to see what it's doing. Still a little early. Still a little early to know what it's really doing. So if you guys wanted to wait and watch this pair, because if you guys really want to get in another pair, I know some of you guys like to get in every pair, but if you did want to wait and watch, keep an eye on this momentum. Momentum is going up, and we're getting this positive divergence. Okay, because price is going down. But if we get that turnaround, price starts moving up. If you see price start moving up, and we get that momentum going up, this could be a nice little buy right here. Okay, because price that means price. That's me assuming price is going to go back and want to test this resistance. But it might be too early right now. That's why I say you got to wait, because maybe momentum just crashes back down and heads back into that oversold, and then price might just dip a little bit more. And then maybe price wants to go back and test the support. So, anyways, that's if you guys want to go ahead and wait on that trade and see. But right now it might be a little too early. And we don't need to get in every trade. I like the trades we've taken so far. They gave us good confirmations for those trades. And I feel safe and comfortable in those. Okay. Sometimes when you trade, you gotta feel confident in your trades. If you start losing confidence in trading, then it's over, Johnny. All right, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Today's Thursday. All right, so that's the end of this week. So yeah, we'll see you guys next week for another Pip Hunter Trading show. Make sure you guys go ahead and smash the like button. I need to pull up these things. I keep forgetting to pull these things up, but it's hard when you're doing all the work here. So yeah, smash the like button, guys. Please support the channel. It helps a lot if you smash the like button. It helps us make more videos for you guys. And obviously, FxBigDog has noted that we are going to be having some changes into our services, where we're not going to be doing these videos on our YouTube channel. We're going to make these private for our members, and we're going to do 4 videos a week where I do the same stuff. It's live trading sessions, but 4 times a week just for our members privately. Okay, so it won't be public. It'll just be private for our members. And then we're going to start posting different content on the YouTube channel. It's not going to be live trades. So so make sure you go and support this channel by smashing the like button and also subscribing. Okay, subscribe to our channel so you guys don't miss out any videos. Click the notification bell so you get notified when we post a video, so you don't miss out. And if you guys haven't checked out our Pip Hunter, okay, trade replica, it is absolutely phenomenal. It is killing it. Okay, it's killing the game right now. So if you want to go check it out, the results are amazing. You can go ahead and check the results in our FX book. There's a link in the description below. You can check the results out, and yeah, go ahead and check that out. And also follow us on Twitter. I haven't been posting much on Twitter this last few weeks because it's been so busy and dealing with my infection. So I've kind of been missing out. But we're gonna keep posting a lot of big news and some cool, interesting stuff on Twitter. That's where we kind of post mostly the big news in the Forex, and also mostly in the crypto. Just all the stuff that's going on with Elon Musk and all the stuff we like to post. So if you're too busy to to be on social media and keep up with all the news, you can always just follow us on Twitter and get the news, from our Twitter page. So that is it. What other changes happening? Herb said. Herb, right now we don't have a a final date. Okay, we don't really have a timeline. We just haven't given a specific date because we don't want to, promise something and then not fulfill it. Okay. So, but I tell you what, we're aiming this month, sometime this month. There's just so much stuff that's going on right now that we're getting new stuff going on, and it's just a lot going on right now. So but I can't promise you an exact date, but I can tell you we are aiming this month. Okay. And yeah, I'm looking at the US dollar right here, and it looks like it might keep dropping. Looks like the momentum's slowing down, so it might keep going back down to that support. But anyways, thank you guys. I appreciate you guys watching and supporting us. Have a beautiful weekend. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. And I'll see you guys next week for some more trade opportunities. Okay? So thank you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.